Hello, I am Sandeep Jaitargar. I am from Mumbai. I have done my MBA in finance from Sir M. Vishweswara Institute of Management Studies and Research. I have joined MI Investment Banking and Hedge Fund Operation course during the month of October, through which I got placed in State Street as a fund accounting in ETF, that is Exchange Traded Fund. Through this course, my experience is fabulous. Though the concept and the product are new, the course is well organized by faculty. The difference in MI investment banking course as compared to other certification course is that MI takes lots of care, as this is my first career in investment banking. So this is very helpful to me and to build a career for this industry, which makes me corporate ready. I have learned many things during this course like equity, derivatives, bonds, and trading, and what are the strategies applied for trading. Not only they focus on practical knowledge and theory, they have also invited the guests directly from the industry like Dr. Chirag sir, Piyush Pandey sir, Divyang Limbachia sir, etc., so that we can get an industry knowledge and a good exposure to it. Apart from this, I have also learned about digital communication CV building session, and the most important key point is that how to crack online interview, which I have learned from Prathamesh Velik sir, and the most important thing, how to prepare an interactive profile on LinkedIn. This session was really an eye-opening session for me, as this helped me in knowing that how important is impactful communication to get the result from the knowledge we have. Last but not the least, the work-life balance is also important. I'm very grateful to Vishal sir for my career guidance and giving me like product knowledge, as well as Prathamesh sir for making understand how to deliver this knowledge. I would like to thanks to MI for everything and the efforts they take for me, and every student that come across. Thank you once again.